What is Apple stock? Is that 23% year to date? That sounds fantastic. What kind of returns are we looking at with Apple stock? We'll answer all those questions and more for you in this video. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is your high-flying, electrifying, star-studded, warm-blooded, savvy stock squirrel. I'm coming to you live with another episode of The Nut House, where we talk about stock, investments, saving, retirement, and everything in between. On this wealth-building journey, come along for the ride and hold on to your nuts, my nutty buddies. What's up, Squirrel Squad? So, let's get down to basics. What is Apple stock, also known as stock symbol AAPL? Apple Inc. is an American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Cupertino, California, in Silicon Valley. It is best known for its consumer electronics, software, and services. Apple's product lineup includes the iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, Vision Pro, and Apple TV, as well as software like iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, tvOS, and visionOS, and services like Apple Card, Apple Pay, iCloud, Apple Music, and Apple TV+. Since 2011, Apple has been the world's largest company by market capitalization, except when Microsoft held the position between January and June 2024. In 2023, Apple was the largest technology company by revenue, with $394.33 billion US. As of 2023, Apple was the fourth largest personal computer vendor by unit sales, the largest manufacturing company by revenue, and the largest vendor of mobile phones in the world. It is one of the big five American information technology companies, alongside Alphabet, the parent company of Google, Amazon, Meta, the parent company of Facebook, and Microsoft. Apple became the first publicly traded U.S. company to be valued at over $1 trillion in August 2018. As of June 2024, Apple was valued at just over $3.2 trillion. It has been consistently ranked as one of the world's most valuable brands. Would I recommend AAPL stock? Hell freaking yes, I would. Are you kidding me? Apple has pretty much been the top dog in the stock market as long as I can remember. Many popular ETFs, such as VOO and QQQ, have Apple as its #1 stock allocation. Now, it's time for the Stock Squirrel's final nut rating. How many nuts would I rate Apple stock on the Nasdaq index? Let's hear the drum roll. I give the Apple stock 5 out of 5 nuts. Let me list all the things I like. First, the current 23% year-to-date gain is excellent. Apple's average return over the past 20 years was 35.7% annually, which includes both price changes and dividends. In comparison, the S&P 500 had an annualized total return of 10.5% over the same period. Apple Inc. remains an attractive investment for several fundamental reasons based on recent analysis. This includes financial health, growth, market dominance, customer loyalty, valuation, market sentiment, innovation, and future growth. With advancements like Apple Intelligence, Apple is positioning itself at the forefront of technology trends. These innovations could lead to new revenue streams and keep Apple competitive in the evolving tech landscape, potentially driving future growth. Well, that's it, my Squirrel Squad. Thank you for joining me for another episode of The Nut House. And remember, my squirrel friends, the secret to squirrel success. Never stop gathering your nuts. The Stock Squirrel is signing off. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Lastly, what are your favorite stocks? Are you invested in Apple? Comment down below. Thank you for listening. It's been wonderful sipping coffee, hanging out, petting my dog, and talking stocks with my favorite squirrel subscribers. Please like and subscribe to me on YouTube. My family and I would greatly appreciate it. Puts us on the YouTube algorithm so more families can learn about finance and investing. If you want to sign up for WeBull, which is hands down the best stockbroker in my opinion, you can do it through my YouTube links tab, inside the video description, or in the comments section. You'll also get 5 free stocks for doing so. If any of the information provided to you today was helpful, feel free to send this hardworking squirrel a donation. You can find my channel donation link in the video description and also in my YouTube links tab. Any donation, no matter how small, is greatly appreciated. It goes towards my stock research and helps me to continue bringing you free content on this channel. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter, X, and Instagram if you want to see a financially savvy fat squirrel in action. And believe me, you'll see some action. Also, please understand that I'm not giving investment, financial, or legal advice. You, the listener, are responsible for your own actions. I am only here to provide education. Please, don't be a bird brain and blow up your stock account. Thank you.